All right, we're at 406 at the Richmond. And this toilet here sometimes splashes water around the reservoir lid, that lid right here. And that's because that little line at the bottom is not completely at the bottom. And then this is kind of a little cap here. It has to be this way. And when we're just gonna reopen the water. Because the handle has a hole in the tank here, and it drips on the side of the tank when that line sprays water right here. We'll flush. Look at this line. So it shoots water at the bottom of the tank and nothing goes on the side here. And so if you realize that the floor is wet around the toilet, that might be because that line is pointing upward and spraying water by either the surrounding of the tank lid or by the hole